This morning, an intelligence-driven operation was conducted in the Grossman community, in which one man was fatally shot on Friday. During the operation, a Honda Fit motor car, which was parked in the area of operation, was searched and a Glock 17 pistol recovered. We are also continuing our search for the two men who fired at the police on Friday. These men are armed and dangerous, and we're appealing to members of the public not to harbor them. We're also appealing to the men to surrender to the police, and they can do so with their attorney. But if not, they can rest assured that myself and my team will not stop until they are caught.
Our news center was informed that the men have been linked to a number of serious crimes in St. Elizabeth, including the fatal shooting of a farmer in Goshen on February 25. They are also linked to the abduction of a businessman who was robbed of more than $6 million in the Santa Cruz area. Several bars have been attacked by the hoodlums and a number of poker boxes stolen over the past few weeks.
Now, this is something going on in Jamaica, where police kill one of the robbery suspect and then fire shot at the police. First, let me start off by saying, throughout the whole Caribbean, Jamaican police is the most active. They are the biggest police force with 15,000 people. You understand? Okay. Now, some things went down and then money get at. Police shootout. The only problem I have with a news report and a situation like this, and this is where the Jamaican police and the government have a chance to correct certain things. Now, we heard these guys are wanted, for a host of different things. Robbing poker boxes, take away $6 million. Plus, them kill somebody. And the police went over there yesterday, I guess, and find a gun. Now, what I would like the police to step up and do, and this is the perfect opportunity. We need more clarity on how these police gather evidence, and we need a transparency, because we hear all these things are shooted out and they have to turn in themselves, which is fine with a lawyer. But we as John public, we would like to know more, and we would like to know how the police get the evidence, without screwing up their case. And if the Jamaican police can work on this, Jamaica would be a better place. Now, they can use camera, they can use a number of different things. You understand? How they gather evidence, the search warrants, just a lot of different things. And I think this is the biggest thing plaguing Jamaica right now, and the rest of Caribbean, but me I talk about Jamaica in this video real quick. So if we can find a way to create transparency in a situation like this, then people will have more confidence in the system, and people will be able to work better with the police and make the community and Jamaica a safer place. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.